Today, Provo is growing faster than ever and faces new challenges as it continues to sail forward. But when the waters get rough, we need someone who can not only address the challenges of today, but who can look ahead and navigate us through the storms of the future. We need a representative that treats city finances as a sacred trust, and a man that will represent the people that make up the quiet majority of our city. Vote David Shipley for Provo City Council. He knows the issues that we face as a community. David will bring his decades of financial expertise to the council and help Provo City sail smoothly through any turbulent times ahead.